Welcome. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add proxy on Google Chrome. So first, you want to open your browser and then search for spice.com .1, and then here you can see all the IP address and port, and then choose any of those, whatever you want. Then go to New tab and then click this three little dots on the upper right side of your screen, and then click Settings, and then click System on the left side of your screen, and then here you want to click Open your computer's proxy settings, and then here you want to scroll down until you see this Use a proxy server, then toggle the switch on, and then here you can see address and port. So you want to go back to the spice.1, and then here you can copy that one, copy the numbers before the colon, and then go back to your settings and then paste it here, and then for the port, copy the last four numbers and then paste it here, and then once you're done, just click Save. I hope this video helps, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.